Literature Reviews Unraveled. Hello, English language learners. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most crucial aspects of academic writing, the literature review. This section plays a fundamental role, especially in theses and dissertations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what a literature review is, why it's essential, and how to construct one. A literature review is a critical analysis of existing works related to your research topic. Think of it as a comprehensive summary and synthesis of the main ideas, theories, and methodologies that have been published on the topic. It's not just a mere list, but a discussion, showcasing similarities, differences, and the progression of the topic over time. 1. Establishes a foundation. It provides a background, helping readers understand the history and development of a topic. 2. Identifies gaps. A literature review can highlight areas that haven't been explored, indicating opportunities for new research. 3. Avoids repetition. By knowing what's already been researched, scholars can avoid duplicating efforts. 4. Demonstrates knowledge. It shows that the writer is familiar with the breadth and depth of literature relevant to their topic. 1. Introduction. A brief overview of what the review will cover. 2. Body. 3. Themes, topics. Group articles and works by themes or methodologies. 4. Chronology. Sometimes, it makes sense to present studies in a chronological order, showing the evolution of ideas. 5. Methods. You can also categorize based on methodologies used in the studies. 6. Conclusion. Summarize the main findings, discuss the current state of research, and suggest possible future directions. 1. Be comprehensive. Ensure you've covered all significant works relevant to your topic. 2. Stay objective. Describe the studies neutrally, highlighting both strengths and limitations. 3. Maintain coherence. Your review should read smoothly, with ideas and themes seamlessly transitioning from one to the next. 4. Use proper citations. Always give credit where it's due to avoid plagiarism. That wraps up our discussion on literature reviews. Remember, this is a skill that improves with practice. By understanding the importance of a literature review and its components, you're well on your way to mastering academic writing. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to assisting you on your English language learning journey. Happy writing!